So Southern California home sales perform best when sellers are prepared and list in spring or early summer, while the slower holiday season tends to bring weaker demand.